Sleepy Hollow, nestled in the serene embrace of the mountains, awoke to an unexpected frenzy as the first signs of spring emerged. The tranquility was shattered as hungry bears, emerging from their long winter slumber, roamed the town in search of food, their presence a stark reminder of nature's untamed spirit. Homeowners found themselves in a state of panic as these ravenous creatures raided bird feeders, their claws ripping through the wooden structures with ease. The bears, driven by hunger, broke into cars, leaving a trail of destruction, and even attempted to enter homes, their sheer size and strength intimidating the residents. Sarah Thompson, the dedicated local wildlife officer, faced the daunting task of managing the escalating bear-human conflicts. With property damage mounting and fear spreading through the community, Sarah worked tirelessly, her days consumed by efforts to mitigate the chaos without resorting to lethal measures. The town hall buzzed with tension as a heated debate unfolded among the residents, each voice vying to be heard over the others. The community was divided, torn between the desire for safety and the need to protect the bears, their discussions reflecting the complexity of coexisting with wildlife. In response, Sarah launched a community-wide education program focused on bear-proofing homes and properties. Through workshops and informational sessions, she empowered residents with knowledge and tools to coexist peacefully with their wild neighbors, gradually restoring harmony between humans and the majestic bears of Sleepy Hollow.